First, let me show you some samples of our materials. First, this is TPU polyester material, 1.2 millimeter thick. Its main function is oil storage. Because oil is permeable, TPU polyester material is generally needed to store any food grade and pollution-free materials. Second, the front and back of this material are slightly different. The front has a grid-like pattern, a special manufacturing process to distinguish the front and back. The back is smooth. The white line in the middle of the material when laid flat is what I've highlighted to show you. This is the mesh reinforcement, added to make the material more resilient and less prone to tearing. Generally, 1.2 millimeter thickness is very strong, unless there are special requirements. 1.0 millimeter thickness is usually sufficient, and many customers only use 0.9 millimeter. Second, this is TPU polyether material, also 1.2 millimeter thick. It's similar in color and pattern to the first material, almost identical. However, due to a different manufacturing process, this material is mainly for storing food grade, water and other liquids. This material is required for any water quality meeting practical standards. Both types of TPU materials are available in 3 thicknesses: 1.0 millimeter, 1.2 millimeter, and 1.5 millimeter. Thirdly, this is military green food grade PVC material, standard thickness 0.9 mm. PVC generally comes in 4 thicknesses: 0.7 millimeter, 0.9 millimeter, 1.0 millimeter, and 1.2 millimeter. PVC is the most common material, and this newer material is safer than ordinary PVC. It also possesses food grade water storage properties. However, the best water storage material remains TPU polyether type because it does not pollute the water or affect its taste. Therefore, for military grade water storage, choosing TPU polyether type material is perfect, acceptable, and meets all international water storage standards. Additionally, the white layer is the inner layer after product manufacturing, while the green layer is the outer layer. Fourth, this is military green standard PVC, 0.9 millimeter thickness, the most common type of PVC on the market. This material can be used to make household swimming pools, firefighting cone-shaped water storage tanks, and in any field where PVC-related materials are used. Fifth, this is PVC red mud membrane material, 0.9 millimeter thickness. This material is mainly used for anaerobic fermentation, treatment of biogas digesters, livestock manure, and wastewater. This PVC has an additional function compared to the military green PVC: corrosion resistance, which extends the service life of wastewater storage, making it more durable and long-lasting. The TPU materials mentioned above are generally only available in military green, while the PVC materials can be customized in 22 different colors. Like these colors, they can all be customized. Our materials are all reinforced with mesh fabric, because mesh fabric has better air tightness, tear resistance, and high toughness. Each of the above materials has a different thickness and price because the dimensions of the customized materials vary. The materials used are different, so even for the same storage capacity, the price will differ. The inner layer, the inside has a textured surface, while the outer layer, the side facing outwards, does not. Therefore, please tell me your specific capacity requirements, and we can design a solution for you or provide you with the most favorable quote based on your required dimensions and thickness.